Did you know there is a world stitched in ancient code that permeates reality? There are forces beneath the skin, currents that flow like forgotten rivers, through heroes, villains, and everything in between. This isn't just analysis, it's an energetic autopsy. We don't react to characters, we read them, break them down. We reveal the current beneath the chaos. Batman's Shen disturbance, One Punch Man's spleen deficiency. We simply follow the chi. Even Barbie displays symptoms of chi rebellion. This is not entertainment, it's metaphysical surgery. Elsa's sadness, lung chi stagnation. Walter White, a classic case of liver yang rising with kidney yin deficiency. Energetic autopsy mode engaged. Goku, kidney jing, overflow with heart shen instability. Eren, sudden onset yang rebellion with explosive liver wind. From the secrets of the Matrix to the web of the Marvel multiverse, Westeros and the digital realms of gaming, the TheQiFiles decodes the meridians flowing in our merging worlds.